Good morning, awesome people. Well, here I got a rooster that's crowing. It wasn't a full crow the other day. So every once in a while, pretty amazing. Just waiting. That's not your traditional rooster crow. The black one's not doing it yet. Just the gray one. So this is my first time hearing the rooster crow. About once a minute. Waiting for one more. And that's beautiful. It's going to be more beautiful when I find a place out of the city. Maybe it's not crowing because I walked up. I barely heard it inside the house, and I didn't have anything on. No radio, no TV. So I only have the one neighbor here, and they want chickens now. So they didn't complain. I don't know who complained. It is what it is. I like that rooster crow. I can't wait till the next one's crowing. Maybe in a couple days. Alright, and have a nice sunny day.